Wheelie bins, not the most glamorous products perhaps, but they've transformed the way we manage our waste. OnePlastics Group, one of the fastest growing injection moulding companies in Europe, has produced more than 10 million of the bins that are currently on Britain's streets. But these are just the most visible of a wide range of products for sectors from agriculture to electronics and pharmaceuticals. For most of us, there's probably not a day that passes when we don't use one of the group's products. But till recently, their name was far from widely known.
Well, originally 151 plc had a number of plastic companies within its portfolio, and they were all operating as separate, successful, autonomous companies. There was no brand identity or anything. They were effectively ring-fenced. Some of the customers we had no idea what else we were doing elsewhere in the group. We were doing too many good things, and we had too many successful companies not to create a brand.
So in 2014, the 151 board decided to bring its plastics businesses together under one brand, the OnePlastics Group. A key part of its strategy has been to combine acquisitions with organic growth. Moving into China was driven by an existing customer's need to manufacture there, and it's acquired a manufacturing site here in Hull and heavily invested in upgrading it.
Both this factory in Hull and the one in Rotherham have been completely rejuvenated over the last 3 years. Huge investment in both sites, including new machinery and new tooling, which means that we've got the latest new efficient design that we can go out and offer the market. Our commercial teams have the confidence and the knowledge to go out there and sell a product that they know is going to be delivered quality and on time.
We've been able to reduce the kilowatt hours per kilogram converted. That's been a combination of the effect of the new mould tooling and the new injection machinery, which give us a more stable base for production. We basically get more output per hour, which has an economy of scale in terms of the energy efficiency.
OnePlastics have also installed inline printing equipment here and are pushing ahead with further investments, a sign of their confidence that the market will continue to grow.
There's a push to reduce landfill waste generally across the UK, and we're providing the solutions to enable people to do that.
OnePlastics runs dedicated competence centres in Europe and Canada to promote innovation in design and manufacture. Crucially, the process begins with listening.
The way that we do business is that we try to go upstream in the supply chain, and we achieve that by listening to our customers, listening to all their problems, and then we obviously go through our innovation centres, and rather than just giving them a product, we give them a total solution to all their problems.
That's the origin of one of the company's most significant innovations to date, the 3-box curbside stacking system developed in collaboration with Bryson Recycling.
Bryson Recycling provides recycling services to around 170,000 households in Northern Ireland, and they were telling us they wanted something that was more stable, that the lid stayed on when the wind blew, that was more mobile and had more capacity. So we started to work on design with OnePlastics to come up with a solution that met their needs. We now have over 100,000 of these actually in use at the moment in the UK. The Welsh Government have adopted it as part of their blueprint for recycling collections in Wales. There's a lot of interest in the other regions in the UK, and we expect this to be the way recycling is carried out in the future.
The OnePlastics Group has enjoyed remarkable growth, around 50% in the last 4 years, and it's continuing to expand. In 2015, along with 2 equity partners, parent company 151 acquired North American plastics manufacturer IPL. This will not only give it a platform for growth in US and Canadian markets, but it will also allow it to offer a wide range of new products. The group now has a truly international capability, and it's turning its attentions to mainland Europe. As pressure grows around the world to find better ways to recycle our waste, OnePlastics is determined to remain at the head of the field.
Yes, it's competitive, but I'd say we've given ourselves a big advantage now. We've got the infrastructure, we've got everything set up to be the best, and being the market leader is our goal.